Hi, welcome back to Ed Foodie. Today I found a recipe that's so quick and easy, and it's just absolutely delicious. So we're going to make baked pear with a whiskey sauce. And the whiskey sauce is just out of this world. You could just drink a cup of it. But so let's get started. We're going to first prepare, and I'm going to make one pear. There's enough sauce to probably have enough for maybe 3 pears, which would be 6 halves. I'm going to take out the core of the pear. So I've got a little bit of melted butter. We're just going to brush this on the pears. I'm going to set them this way so they broil evenly. I'm going to broil these for about 5 minutes, but I'll keep watching them to make, I just want them to get a little bit brown. And then we'll turn the broiler off and we'll bake them at 300 degrees for about 30 minutes. So this has been broiling for about 5 minutes. You can see it's starting to turn a little brown. So now we're going to lower it to the middle rack and we'll bake for about 30 minutes. So while the pears are in the oven, let's go ahead and make our sauce. I've got 4 tablespoons of butter. I've had this pre-softened so it's going to melt really fast. In it I'm going to mix 2/3 of a cup of heavy cream, half a teaspoon of salt, and the recipe calls for a half a cup of brown sugar. I'm going to start with 1/4 of a cup of brown sugar, and I'll see how sweet that is. The recipe called for a half a tablespoon of scotch. I don't have any scotch, but I do have some Jim Beam apple whiskey. So I'm going to use that. And that's another reason why I only put a 1/4 cup of sugar, because the apple whiskey is going to be a lot sweeter than the scotch. So we just stir this until all the sugar is melted. I have this on a low heat. I'm going to take a little taste of this sauce to see how sweet it is. Oh, wow, is that good? Man. It's definitely sweet enough, so I definitely would recommend only using the 1/4 cup of brown sugar. But I also think if you used scotch, you would need maybe the whole half cup, and maybe the sauce would be a little bit thicker. But this will be fine. This will drip on there. This is going to be really good. I could just take a cup of this stuff and drink it straight. So our pears have been baking. And I guess the trick to this is when you buy your pears at the store, and actually apples would work wonderful on this too. Try to find something that's nice and ripe so that it'll soften up when you bake it. So we'll take 1 pear. We'll spoon some of our whiskey sauce on it. Oh, it smells so good. Sprinkle pistachios. And then, like I said earlier, I think putting some goat cheese is going to really make this good. So we'll try it. Wow. First off, it's very hot. Oh, that is so good. You know, the pears are a little bit spicy to begin with, and that whiskey sauce just, comes out and I'm gonna give myself a thumbs up for putting the goat cheese on there. It really adds a nice creaminess to it and fantastic flavor.
Okay. Very special.
Yeah, very good. And
very good.
It's earlier in the video I said it was quick and easy. I mean, it's easy. It's not that quick because we baked this for 30 minutes to 40 minutes. But I think if you get the softer pears when you buy them at the grocery stores, it'll soften up a lot quicker. Yeah, the sauce is just amazing.
Very good.
And
I give that.
it'd be great on apples as well.
And we can try some apple with this.
Yeah, put on ice cream would be good. So if you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up, like my video, and please subscribe to Ed Foodie. Thank you.